Alright guys, we are back here. This time we are at the D in Fremont Street here in Las Vegas. They have this red Dodge Demon which you can win. Pretty tight track car, 9-second track car, straight from the factory of Dodge. They're doing something right. But anyway, let's check out this hotel. It's extremely loud in this entrance part, so I apologize about that. They have the music cranked up in here for sure, so we will see how well this video sounds. But you know, the loud music is always something that you will have to compete with here in Las Vegas, so we're used to it. Anyway, right here is the lounge bar at the D. It is an incredibly long bar. They have games in the bar countertops as well as TVs, so if you guys want to chill on football Sunday, this is definitely a place to be doing so. They have the garage. The Club D is going to be off over here to the right as well. There's also the valet, the gift shop, and also hotel elevators as well. So not sure why they have the music so cranked up in this place. It is incredibly hard to try and get this audio for this video. So we're gonna make the best of it, guys. This one may not be one of the best audio videos that we've ever put out on the channel. But like I said, we roll with it as best that we can. Can't make it all happen in one day or in 1 year or in 1 week. So roll with the punches, kind of get what we get. Off to the left here is a bunch of gaming. Off to the right is your hotel check-in. So if you're staying here at the D, that would be the place to go ahead and check in. The concierge is up over here as well. And like I was talking about, there's a gift shop for the D. That's up here, straight ahead of you actually. It's called the D Shop. So you'll have to check that out. And walk around through this little part here, kind of show you some of the games that are down here in the D. So downstairs they have some of the newer games. I know upstairs they have some older gaming and stuff, which we'll have to show you as well here. Look at all these Super Sky wheels. Oh my goodness, those are pretty good. Those are going crazy last night at the Cosmo. Buffalo Grands, those are always fun to play. 5 Dragon Grands. Look at all these. These are hard to film. I don't know how some of these slot channels film these things because they're so big and so high up there. But anyway, this is the guest elevator. So if you're staying here at the D, that's the place to go up to your room. Parking garage elevators are up over here. So if you're staying here or you live here, that's where you park for yourself park. Make our way around the casino floor here on the bottom, and then we will definitely make our way back up top. So the vintage Vegas slots are upstairs, so if you like old school slots here in Las Vegas, the D is the place for you. The new ones are great, but like I said, in some of these older ones, the oldies are the goodies. Your cashier cage is going to be up over on my right hand side, so if you can see that on the corner of the screen there, that's where you go to cash in tickets, chips, things like that. Bunch of gaming going on here at the D in the center as well. Like I said, we'll take you upstairs. We'll check out the vintage slots here in a minute, but first we have to finish this walkthrough on the bottom and see what they have for all the new gaming here at the D. So there's this little section down here. There's a lot of new machines from what I've seen this last time, but they've always tried to get new games and stuff like that to attract the crowd back into this fabulous city of sin here. A lot of Wheel of Fortune's up here, guys. Wheel of Fortune used to be my machine, but the last time I was here, it just gouged the living shit out of me. So I don't really play Wheel of Fortune that much anymore. I mean, I follow some of the bigger slot channels like Brian Christopher, you know, Vegas Low Roller, some of those guys, and they have a trick. You know, if there's a different denomination on the machine, never play the lowest denomination. So if you can play 1, 2, 5 cents, or 10 cents, you're better off playing the 2 cents and minimum betting than you are on the 1 cent and maximum betting. But this is all theory on some of these other people's slot channels. I don't know how true it is, but I noticed when I changed the denomination on a few of the machines that I played, I actually did quite well. So maybe there's some truth behind that. Obviously, the more, yeah.
Sorry, you can't record inside the casino, all right?
Oh, okay, sure, no problem.